Okay, this is catnip. I planted some a few years ago, and now it just grows in various places throughout the yard. I just look for it each year to see where it's come up, and we'll give some to the cats, see if they like it. Cat number 1. You want that? Yeah? Okay. Oh, here come 2 more cats. Hey, Blue, I know you like it. Hey, Raven kitty kitty. Raven kitty. Do you want some catnip? I don't think you'll like it, Titan. Hey, Titan.
Six
Blue really likes this, don't you? Blue really likes catnip. This is Velma. Hi, Velma. Raven. Hi, you like catnip? Do you want me to tear off a piece for you? It's fun to let other cat. Hi, I can't find your sister. You want some more? Here you go, Blue. Hey, Velma, do you want some more? Need some more? Am I supposed to drop it? Whoop. Ooh, scary. You like the catnip sticks too, don't you? Ow, that was my finger. Okay, well, that's not any fun. Misjudge there, cat. Let's go back to a safer cat. Maybe safer? Stupid thing's bleeding. Hi. Oh, hey, here's Daisy. Hi, Daisy. You almost missed out on the catnip. Pull some more off. Here you go, Blue. You want the stick? Here, you just take the stick. There we go. Hey, Blue kitty. Hey, Blue kitty, kitty, kitty. Get close. I think it's right in the face. Huh? Hello, Velma.
2 minutes.
Hello. Oh, oh. I don't need to be clawed again. Yes. Yes. Oh. You like that catnip?